Good day, good afternoon, everyone. As you all know me, I'm your Scratch professor. I'll be taking you in a serious class today. And in today's class, I'll be taking you on how to draw a star. A star. You remember a star has five angles and all sides of the star are equal. So let's go by taking the first step. The first step, as usual, is always make sure you reduce the size of your sprite. Here I'm reducing it to 65. I'm using my enter button. After the reduction of your sprite size, go to your event, pick when flag is clicked. As usual, you must pick it because it's necessary you pick it so that when you click on this green flag, the codes will start running. After that, you go to your extension. Remember, this is your extension here. You click on the extension and you pick your pencil. When you pick your pencil, you go for erase all. Bring in erase all, drop erase all, or before that, no problem, go for erase all. Then you go to your motion, and bring in, go to X, you come in between here. Then you can leave it on 00, you can put it on, let it be same number. Then let's go back to our pen, go back to your pen and bring in your pen down. Then go to set pen size, bring in your set pen size. This one, set pen size, you can set your pen size to something like, let's set it to 8, set your pen size to 8. Then you can change your pen color by 10 too. Change pen color by 10, leave it on 10 like this. Then now you have to go to your control block. On your control block, bring in your repeat because you need to repeat that drawing. Bring in your repeat. Then the number of time, you have five angles, five equal angles in a square, in a star, right? That five stars angles you have, you enter the 5 here. When you put in your 5, you go back to your motion block. From your motion block, you bring move, this move 10 step forward. This move 10 step, change it to 100. Then you go to your turn, that your turn right. We have turn right and we have turn left. So this is your turn right 15 degree. You bring it in, drop it under the move. Then here you have to enter 144. Are you with me? 144 because it must give you a result of 720. So 144 is what you enter here. So you now check if it's up to 720. That's 144 times 5. Consider if it is up to 720. Then you now go back to your control block. From your control block, you bring in wait. This wait 1 second. Let's try it first. When you bring in wait 1 second now, every code is ready now. Let's run it from the green button here first and see what happens. Okay, so this is the star. Now this is the star shape. It's a bit fast. Yes, let's reduce this fastness to, let's make it 2, and the space is too short. Let's make this one maybe 150. Convert this to 150 and run it again. Then click and run it again. Let's run it again to see the length. Now it's a bit bigger now. So now we have a star. So I'm saying a very big thank you for being with us. See you later.